I tell you, I won't bother if somebody promised $1 trillion, $1 billion and did not donate. I won't even remember those fellows. But if one Gurukul Balasant leaves, I'll feel, oh God, what a loss. Not for me, for him and for humanity. Because every child, especially the Hindu child, are the only possibility for the whole humanity. Understand? The greatest resource the humanity has. Oh, humanity, if you want to live more than 100 years on this planet, save the Hindu children and teach them this science which I am talking. If the Hindu children don't learn this science and manifest, no, I don't even want to make a negative statement. Let me make only positive statement. Oh, Hindu children, you are the only resource human being has. You are the last resource and last resort humanity has. Learn this science and manifest it. This is the only way we can save the humanity. It is time humanity needs conscious breakthrough. If not, the whole humanity will be brainwashed and convinced completely. Choices are freedom. Understand, if you are convinced choices are freedom, mediocre lifestyle will become life. What a great destruction for humanity. It's like pushing the humanity million years backward. Because last million years, our ancestors developed the science of conscious possibility as a reality for human beings. Why I focus so much on Hindu kids, children, youth? Understand? I even made a new brand, Enlighten. I'm going to launch it. I'm creating a Digi system, Digi ecosystem called Enlighten. Why I am working on Hindu kids? Because Hindu kids are the only hope for the human possibility, humanity, conscious possibility. I am not saying Hindu adults, men, women can't realize this science which I am talking. You can realize. But unfortunately, last so many years you have been brainwashed that probabilities are life, choices are freedom. The middle class, mediocre, middle-aged mentality has been inserted into you for last so many years. But the kids are fortunate. Still they are fresh. Everything is possible for them. I can transmit this science to them before they get brainwashed by you. Listen carefully. First truth you need to know, probability even if you get the best probable, happening in your life among the good, okay, bad, or worst, or great, or best, all these probabilities. We can start from this side. Worst, okay, good, better, best. All these are probabilities. Even if you get the bestest, you will only have growth. Possibility of your consciousness will give you breakthrough. There's a difference between growth and breakthrough. For example, the tallest building you have seen in your life is 20 feet tall. And if you plan to build 50 feet tall building, it's a growth. But the tallest building you have seen in your life is only 20 feet. But you straight plan and manifest 2,000 feet tall building. That's a breakthrough. Growth is always the language of mediocre mind. Breakthrough is the lifestyle of leaders.